2 to the power x minus 2 to the power y is equal to 240. So find the value of x and y. How? So easy. We can write, take the common of, there 2 to the power x and 2 to the power y is, this is the positive number, so this is the big from this is the bigger. So here this similar base and power, so we can write hidden secret is x is bigger than y. Yeah. So we take the 2 to the power y, so 2 to the power x by 2 to the power y, and there is 1 and there is, so there is 2 to the power y, and this is the 2 to the power x minus y, this is 1 and this is the, now this is 2 to the power y and this is the 2 to the power this and minus 1. So 2 to the power y is every number, every real number of 2 to the power, this is the even number and there is the minus 1, so this is the odd number. And so near this is the multiplication is the 17, 6, 4. This is the even number and this is the odd number. So you can write that 2 to the power y is the and minus 1, so 2 to the power x minus y minus 1, this is the, we take this 15, and there this is the 2 to the power 4, so we can write y is equal to 4 to the power, so y is equal to 4, and now put there the x and there is y is 4 and this term here, so 15 plus 1 is the 16, 16 is the 2 to the power 4, and so you can write this term and this similar, so x minus 4 and the 4, so x value is 4 plus 4 is 8, so x value is 8 and y value is 4, so you can write the x value is 8 and y value is 4, so x value is 8 minus y value is 4, so x value is 8 is the 56 and minus the 16, so minus value 54, so this is the proof text. So you can write x value is 8 and y value is 4. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.